Hey guys, this is my 2020 Audi SQ5, and I will show you how to use the OBDeleven to lower the car all the way to vent the bags without paying 10 credits every time. There's a way to do it for free, and I'll show you how. So this is the ride height right now. Once you connect, you go to vehicle, and instead of going to apps, here, I'll show you guys. Where is it at? Oops, I went too far. So instead of going here every time and paying 10 credits to lower your car every time, what you want to do is go to vehicle, control units, find your suspension, or chassis control, and then you go to, let me try to remember where it's at. Basic settings and vent air shock absorbers for front axle or rear, whatever one you want to do first. And it will usually ask you to open your hood and close it just as a safety thing, but I already did that on mine, so this is how you do it. Let's do the front and I'll show you guys. So here we go. It takes a while, so just swipe it and then watch. So slowly going down. You can either wait till it appears in green, or you can just wait till you like the kind of height you want to lower it at. See? I think that's the lowest it goes. We can wait till it's done on here. You can see the rear is still raised up. And I am on lowering links, so that's my stock height. Okay, you know what, let's just do the rears. Here's the rear. You can see. Okay. And this is how it looks aired out. There you guys go. I'll show you guys. I don't have a lot of room here, but I think it's pretty cool. If you go to like a car show or something, just vent your airbags. And you can either start driving and it'll air right back up, or you can go in here and I will show you guys real quick. So if you go in here and go to vehicle and go to service and checks. Oops. And go to your air suspension wheel change, and what you want to do is like triple click this or until it disappears, and your car will air right back up. You can see it right here real quick. Slowly airing up. Oh yeah, that's about it.